And today I'm going to be making some more slime. So I'm just going to show you some of my other slimes I have. I have this slime, I called it Sunshine Cereal. I have this other one, I called it Jingle Bells. And this like glittery thing, I called Magic Slime. And then I have this one that I made with my friend. It's a little sticky though, but that's okay. Okay, so I got this slime idea from Karina Garcia's DIY slime book. It has some really good slimes in it. Yeah, it's a really good book. So you should look into it. And it has like a lot of stuff. Yeah. So I'm going to be making a metallic gold slime with this gold paint. What you'll need is this eye contact solution. Make sure the eye contact solution has boric acid in it. And there's glue. It can be clear or white. Yeah, metallic gold paint and baking soda. And I'm gonna make mine with plum beads. Yeah. So let's get started. First thing, I'm gonna get the glue open. How much you would like. I pushed it a bit. Let's see here. And then the color is you can keep adding more if you go it kind of looks like a coffee color right now, but it will change as you keep adding more. This is like actually like pretty good gold. Just add a little bit more and then once you got the right color, you add your baking soda. You're gonna want to add about depends how much slime you have. So if you have like a normal amount, like just a little bottle, then you're probably gonna want a teaspoon or half a teaspoon. But if you have a lot, you just kind of eye it. So I'm just gonna see because I have a lot of slime. I don't want to add too much too little. And when you go into your eye contact solution, you add a little bit at a time. gonna start getting thicker. I'm just gonna keep adding it more until it's not sticky. Now I need to add quite a bit because I have a pretty big slime. You're not going to want to go in with your hands until it's like almost done, because you don't want it to stick to your hand. So yeah, don't want to go in with your hands and sticks to me, because it's not quite ready yet. It's getting thicker. The baking soda and iodine solution go together, so you need those ingredients. I'm just going to keep mixing until it doesn't stick to the bowl. See, mine's almost getting there. It's pretty thick. So if I touch it, it doesn't stick to me that much. So just gonna add a little bit more. I'm probably going with my hands now. Make sure you're doing this somewhere, like on a table, and make sure you're not making a mess. So now it's almost done. It's a little sticky, so I'm going to put a little bit more. You don't have to make your slime metallic or anything. You can make it any color you'd like. I just chose metallic gold. Just got some slime in my hair, but I got it out. So when you're ready, you can pick it up and start molding it. And you're just gonna, if you place it really fast, it's gonna stick to you. And if you can add shaving cream to it to make it fluffy slime, if you would like. I just chose not to because then it's not sticky. Or you can like remove the bowl and baking soda and making a drop. A little more of that, and then you should probably be done with that. And then this should be pretty stretchy. And another thing you can do to play with it bubble. It's just like pretty metallic-y if you use metallic paint. Or you can just make whatever color you want. So that's my video on how to make metallic slime. Hope you guys liked it. And give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't already. Bye!